Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Kriyad. Today I am going to show you how to solve and make the farewell Lego puzzle box. The aim of this puzzle box is to slide out a money tile. So let's start solving. First, take out the tool from the top. Then insert it in the slit on the leftmost side like this. And this tile comes out. Then I'll take off the tool and insert it in this slit, and as you can see in there, that tile will shift over like this, and now this slit is open, so I'll insert my tool there and this tile comes out. Then I'll insert my tool in this slit and this one. And now I am able to take out the money tile by inserting my tool in this slit. And as you can see, there's the money tile and the puzzle is solved. Here's the list of all the pieces that you'll be needing for making the puzzle. So let's start. So first we'll start by making the base. I'll take 3 2x6 plates, join them together and take a 1x4 plate, a 1x1 tile, then take a 2x1 plate, a 1x4 tile, a 1x1 tile, a 2x1 tile, a 2x1 plate, a 1x1 tile, a 1x1 plate, a 1x1 tile, a 1x1 plate, a 1x1 tile again. Then take a 2x1 plate, another 2x1 plate, a 2x1 tile will go there. Then take a 1x4 tile, a 1x3 plate, a 1x1 tile and a 1x1 plate will go there, and the base is ready. Now I make the mechanism of the puzzle. So I'll take a 1x4 plate, a 1x1 plate, a 2x1 tile will go there, another 2x1 tile, and it's important to take 2x1 tiles here, not grills, because these can slide freely and we want that to make a puzzle. So now I'll take a 1x1 plate, another 1x1 plate, a 1x1 plate, another one. Then I'll take another 2x1 tile, a 2x1 tile again will go there like that. Then take a 2x1 plate, a 2x1 tile with this money tile, money print on it, and place it like that there. Then take a 2x1 plate and place it there, and the mechanism is ready. So let me show you what happens inside the puzzle now. So if we take the tool and try to push out this money tile, this golden tile is blocking it now. So to shift this tile, if I insert my tool here, this tile blocks it, and to shift this tile, I need to insert my tool here, and this is blocking. So to shift this one, I insert my tool here and this tile blocks it. So what I do is insert it here and shift this tile over, and this comes out. Then I'll insert the tool here and this shifts, and now we can insert the tool here and this shifts over like that. And now I can shift this tile, but now this is blocked by this tile which we shifted here to shift this one. So now I'll shift this tile back, and now as I insert the tool, I can take out or slide out the money tile, and that's how the puzzle gets solved. So I'll just reset it. This goes back, this comes here, this stays there, and this comes back. So that was the mechanism, and let's build the top of the puzzle and finish it off. So now I'll take a 2x6 plate and place it there. Then take another 2x6 plate and another one will go there. You can even replace these 2x6 plates with a 6x6 plate. And now take a 2x4 tile, a 2x2 tile, a 2x1 jumper plate, another 2x4 tile will go there. Then take a 2x4 tile, another one, a 2x2 jumper, a 2x1 tile. You can even take a grill, as I have taken a grill, and then take a 1x6 tile and just place it on these two studs like this, and the puzzle is ready. If you like this video and found the tutorial helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Kriyad right here. Thank you for watching.